Ready for another challenge? Our next word is it. Let me slow it down. It. It. Let us try one more time. It. Wow, that was quick. How many sounds did you find? 2. Boom. Case solved. Let's catch another sneaky word, if. Let me slow it down. If. Let us try it one more time. If. Did your detective ears catch both sounds? Fantastic! The word if has 2 sounds and you didn't miss a single one. Now it is your turn, sound detectives. Can you find the hidden sounds in the word is? I'll stretch the word for you. Is. Let's do it one more time. Is. Just like I slowed down and stretched the word, you try saying it slowly in the same way. And every time you hear a new sound, clap. Okay. In. I'll stretch the word for you. In. Let's do it one more time. In. Now, tell me how many sounds are hiding inside the word in.